We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP M551 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace your toner collection unit. So if you've been getting a warning saying your toner collection unit's been full or needs to be replaced, then it's a really simple thing to do. First thing you want to do is anytime I'm removing anything from the printer, I like to turn it off first. So make sure you go ahead and turn off the printer. Again, the power button's located here on the bottom right hand side of the front of the machine. Once it's powered off, then you're going to lower this front cover here. So there's a little hand notch here at the very top of it. So go ahead and put your hand in there and you can drop this whole front cover down. And then this right here is your toner collection unit, and this is what we need to remove. So it's really simple. It actually just kind of slides right out of there. So be careful, this is full of all your extra toner from inside the machine. So this is all loose toner packed inside of here. So please be very careful when removing it, and also make sure you dispose of it properly. And once you have your new toner collection unit ready to go and ready to be installed, I'm just going to slide it in here. Make sure you get it all kind of, usually helps if we seat the bottom first, and the whole thing just kind of clicks up into place. Give it a little wiggle just to make sure it's actually in there and it's attached. Once you have that installed, then you can go ahead and raise this front cover. Make sure it closes all the way up, and then you can go ahead and turn your printer back on. And once your printer reboots, then the warning should go away. You should be good to go and back up and print. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply you with any of your printer or office supply needs, please reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.